work for more than 2,000 days, that is to say, more than 40,000 hours, to establish an entity that seeks development in software industry in the region. Our cadre consumed more than 80,000 cups of coffee, which is equivalent to more than 14,000 liters. If it was a fuel of a car, it will sufficient only 3 cycles around Earth. We developed ideas, software projects, and integrated solutions in a professional way for our valued customers in smartphone and web applications. We wrote more than 90 million software lines for more than 28 programming languages, equivalent to 150,000 sheets of A4 size. For example, 480 textbooks. You will need more than 60 shelves. Each extensions are 4 meters. We have provided our service to more than 90 clients in 22 countries. To reach the production of these video, more than 80 mobile applications, and more 70 websites and 19 administrative systems. We designed more than 40,000 pictures and more than 80 slogans for major international companies and produced more than 200 minutes of video advertising, motion graphics, and infographics. Our products reach millions of people all over the world in different languages. This is the career of SmartCode Internet Solution for 13 years. We believe we have accomplished a lot in it, and we believe that we will do more. SmartCode Internet Solutions, vision, experience, belonging.